In this video, we're going to look at naming and measuring and drawing angles. Okay, so here are some angles, and here are the names of those angles. We're just going to look at naming them and describing them. Okay, so I'll start with this one up here, which is acute. Now, acute are all angles less than 90 degrees. Now, here is my 90 degrees. That's my right angle. So a right angle is 90 degrees. Okay, I have obtuse. And an obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. My straight line is just 180 degrees. My reflex is more than 180 degrees, less than 360 degrees, which leaves me with my complete turn, which is 360 degrees. Okay. Estimate and measure the following angles. And I'm asking you to estimate just because it really helps with the idea of what we're asking to do here. So this is acute. And if I look at my 90 degrees, which is a good idea, a good guide for this, it looks to be just less than 90 degrees. So I want to say it's about 80 degrees. And I'm just going to look over here as well, and I am here. There's a straight line of 180. There is 90, so somewhere halfway, nearly 135 degrees. Now let's measure these angles. So I want to take myself a protractor, and I'm going to use the half protractor just because it's the one that most people will use. I'm going to place that on the line, on the corner, and I'm going to line this up. So by that I mean I'm going to line. That's no good. That's perfect. Now my answer is on this line. Now you always count from 0. In this instance, 0 is on the inside. We're trying to get this line to meet this line. So I'm at 0, 10, and if you follow that, if you can see that red dot, it's just underneath the arrow. I'm going to keep going round, and I'm at 75 and at 80 degrees. So it's exactly 80 degrees. Now my estimate stops me from calling it 100 degrees because some people would call that 100 degrees. But I look at it and I go, no, that's less than 90, so it couldn't be 100 degrees. Okay, move this over, place that, join that up, and I'm going to go this way. Okay, start counting again. I count from 0. Sometimes 0, if I was on this side, would be on the outside, but from this side at 0, count all the way around. So there's 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 1, 2, 3, 134. 134 degrees. And there's an answer. So there's measuring angles. Okay, estimate and measure the following angle. Now there are 2 methods for this. The first method is to continue this line. So I know that this part is 180 degrees. I'm just going to measure this part. Again, take my protractor. So again on the inside. So 99 degrees, that looks like. So 99 degrees. So if I add both of those together, I have an estimate of this. So if I add my 180 It's 189. Of course, we don't need a calculator to do this, but it's going to be 279 degrees. Now, the other method is to measure the smaller angle. So if I was to measure that smaller angle, so I haven't got that lined up properly. It's better. 0, 10, 20, all the way up to 80 degrees. So that's 80 degrees. And my answer would be 360 degrees. Take away 80 degrees, which is 280 degrees. So either way, I'm going to get the same answer. Okay, you could be asked to draw some angles as well. So draw the following angles. Okay, well, I'm going to draw 51. So I'm going to put myself straight line down to start. I take my protractor and I put it on either end. Doesn't matter which end. I'm going to put it on this end this time. I'm going to go to 51. So I'm counting from 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1. I'm just going to put a dot on 51. Then I'm going to move away my protractor and I'm going to join this up. Not only that, I'm going to name it as well. So 51 degrees. 121. So again, I go to my straight line. Take out your protractor. 121. I'll go this side only because I might not pass this. So again, 0. Take your pen. 120, 121, put a dot down. Right, you've come from that point, so make sure you join that back up. Finally, 234 degrees. I'm going to do this a different way. I'm going 360, take away 234 degrees is equal to, again, you could obviously get this on the non-calc. That was 126 degrees. I'm going to measure 126 degrees instead. This time, I'm going to put my protractor the other side. So I ended up and draw a straight line. So place it on it. I am going to 126 degrees. There for a dot. Top of those 2 dots. Join this up. Now I'm actually going to label that 126 degrees. My real answer is this side, which is 200. At 34 degrees. Okay, here's some questions to have a go at. Press pause and the answers will follow in one. There I answered.